Hello! In this video, I will demonstrate how to generate test reports in TestShell. Generating test reports is done in the execution query document. We can open it by clicking on View Reports in the ribbon. It is easiest to work with the document in full screen mode, which we can do by hitting F11 or selecting the full screen option in the Ribbon View tab. The upper part of the document is the query, which allows us to narrow down our report search. We can search for runner reports on the server, or for studio reports which are only saved locally. We can search for a test or regression reports, and also provide a specific test or regression that we are looking for. If we don't want to narrow down the results to a specific test, we can clear the box. Another search parameter is the time frame in which the test was executed. We can enable or disable this parameter. When we hit Run Query, the bottom grid lists all the test executions that match the query and their attributes. We can also see their results. This is the standard TestShell grid. We can group it, sort, and further filter to find the execution that we are looking for. For the selected execution, we can select the report template that we wish to use. The report template can be customized here, but we will not discuss it in this video. After selecting the template, we can export the report to different formats or preview it. You can now generate your own test report.